Hi guys, Train Fan James 13 here from our video. Here we're showing some Orange's Go toys. And you can see some in the background from past videos. I got 3 different ones to show today. I'll just bring one in at a time. Here's the first one. Medieval Thomas. And if I have the regular counterpart, I'll compare it to that engine. So here's Medieval Thomas and normal Thomas right here. Just one second, let me just decouple them. And normal Thomas. Toss that out of the way. And you can see the differences. All blue. Has some silver to represent armor, I'm guessing. The face is sideways, but I think that's with all of them. He's giving like a smug face. I'll put him there for comparison. Silver on all the front. The backs. Bottom. Top. That's it with him. But I'll show the rolling stock now. First, I'll start with the Dragon Car. The Dragon Car here. It's quite interesting. Also, I just realized I put this with the wrong pack. So, don't worry about that. I put it with the wrong pack by accident. Well, the Dragon. Comes on this flatbed blue wheel strapped in for Thomas probably. And then you just take it off. It goes off. And there's this hole that it goes on. I actually like how the flatbed looks. I may use it in my series possibly. But you never know. It's actually quite a good detail. I actually really like the flatbed. Dragon, not the best, but it's there. Yeah, it goes on here. That's it with that. I'll show the Boulder Car now. And well, this is a car, this is like a slingshot. This is a not so good, this flatbed ain't as good as the other flatbed. So yeah, it ain't as good as this thing on it. The boulder goes on it. And if you put it on for your back, then you can do this. Oh, yeah. It can launch, it's just hard to do it sometimes. And there it goes. That's really what this car, blue wheels, red running board thing. That's really it for this one. Time on to the next pack. I'll show the next pack off here right now. And just gonna get ready. And here is the other pack. Just railing it. There we go. This is the other pack. I don't remember the name of it. I already threw the box away. So yeah, I don't remember the name of it. But it's like Percy in a mine or something because he has crystal inside. And the face, it looks like he has to take a poop. Let me just get my Percy. The coupling side would be difficult. Yeah, you can see he has crystals and stuff on the side. Here's the next to normal Percy. I'll just decouple the cars. Let me go back there. And if you didn't know, this Percy here was my first All Under to Go merchandise, and here's another Percy with him now. Another Percy to go with my Percy. The faces. Yeah. Yeah, they're probably the exact same mold. So that's cool. You two can go in the back. Now go on to these cars. I'll start with this one. This car is interesting. You can take this thing off of its thing, as you can see. And it's a red flatbed. If it wasn't red, then I would probably use it too. Well, I am gonna use it, but I ain't gonna tell you for what. I think I'm gonna be with it. It's got one ghost episode or something. And if you have it on the car and it moves, the satellite thing on top spins. So that's interesting. No detail on this side, really, but there's a lot of detail on this side. Yeah. That's really it for this car. Ain't much to that one. Alright, on to the next one. Now this one. I think this is based off a mining episode where they went to a mine and they found something I honestly don't remember. But it exists. You can take it off its flatbed. I actually may use this as like a statue or something. An apron or something. This is a nice flatbed. I actually really like the flatbeds in this. Yeah, that's really it. And one final thing. And it's something to compare to any of the other engines here. But I'm full of surprises, as you can plainly see. I bring some razzle dazzle to the odds. I finally got Diesel. After trying to find him for a while. But I got him. Diesel looks weird. I'm just gonna say he's probably one of the weirdest ones. You know, the ones that are weird are these two. They're the only weirder engines, and then Carly in the background over here. But he has purple all over him, like the show, which I do not understand why they did that. It's weird. And he's super short, which is accurate to the show, but no, I don't like him. I'll go into Thomas and Percy here. And James in the back. Let me just get him. And James. I'll compare those three because they're some of the main three in the show. And though Gordon's more in it. And James just says, "Hello, Thomas." Or something like that.